Alright guys, today I'm working on a 2005 Lexus Sc430, and this pump right here is getting swapped over. I bought the new pump here, and it doesn't have this banjo bolt port or the sensor on it. It just has a nut right there. Everybody told me I had the wrong pump, but I'm convinced that I can take this old piece off. So I got my thing set up in the vise, and I got my good old pipe wrench, and I'm sure that it'll work. And I proved them right. That thing can be swapped over. So yeah, with that being said, you don't have to, you can get a new pump and just transfer this over, put it in a vise, get a pipe wrench, and gently take it out. All right, that's it. Like, share,